MG Motors India today launched the much anticipated MG Hector Plus at an inaugural price of Rs 13.48 lakhs ex-showroom, New Delhi. Hector Plus, India's first 6-seater internet SUV with panoramic sunroof, will be manufactured at the car maker's state-of-the-art manufacturing facility at Halol near Vadodara in Gujarat. The MG Hector Plus is offered in a range of 4 variants: Style, Super, Smart and Sharp. All 4 variants are offered with both petrol and diesel engine options as well. The top spec Sharp trim powered by the diesel engine is offered with a price of Rs 18.53 lakh ex-showroom India. MG Motors started accepting bookings for the Hector Plus in the Indian market well before its launch for an amount of Rs 50,000. Deliveries for the same are expected to begin shortly. The MG Hector Plus is essentially an extended version of the 5-seater Hector, which was introduced in India last year. The Hector Plus does, however, come with a number of updates and revisions which help the SUV differentiate between the 5-seater model. The 6-seater Hector Plus comes with luxurious and comfortable captain seats in the middle row. The 6-seater SUV features a very appealing look with its all-new dual-tone smoked sepia brown interiors, along with stylish new headlamps, a new chrome-studded front grille, and a chit-chat feature on iSmart next-generation interface. It also comes with other attractive features including the all-new Smart Swipe, front and rear bumpers, new rear tail light design, and revised skid plates. The touchscreen infotainment system also comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Other features also include a panoramic sunroof, automatic climate control, large MID at the instrument cluster, ambient lighting, steering mounted controls, and a host of other features as well. The MG Hector Plus will be offered in 2 engine options: 1.5-litre turbo petrol and 2.0-litre diesel unit. The turbo petrol engine produces 140 bhp and 250 Nm of peak torque, while the diesel unit churns out 170 bhp and 350 Nm of torque. Both engines come mated to a 6-speed manual, with the petrol engine receiving the optional 7-speed DCT automatic unit as well. The MG Hector Plus is offered in a range of 6 color options. MG Hector Plus offers both MG Shield and the MG Shield Plus to provide an assuring experience to its customers. Under MG Shield, MG extends the free 3 5s, that is 5-year limited kilometers warranty, 5-year roadside assistance, and free labor charges for the first 5 services.
Honda Cars, as reported earlier, is busy upgrading its portfolio to BS6. Now Honda Cars India has launched BS6 Civic. The new Honda Civic Diesel BS6 sedan is offered in 2 variants, VX and ZX, with the lower trim offered at a price tag of Rs 20.72 lakh. The higher spec ZX trim, on the other hand, is priced at a slight premium of Rs 22.34 lakh. All prices are ex-showroom. The Honda Civic Diesel BS6 engine comes in the form of a 1.5-litre ID Tech turbocharged unit. It produces 118 bhp at 4000 rpm and 300 Nm of peak torque at 2000 rpm and is mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox. The ID Tech diesel engine on the Honda Civic is a part of brand's Earth Dream technology series. This ensures the diesel engine offers a perfect combination of both performance and maximum efficiency as well. Honda claims that the BS6 compliant diesel engine on the Civic is capable of returning a mileage of 23.9 km per litre. Rajesh Goyal, Senior VP and Director, Marketing and Sales, Honda Cars India Limited, said Honda is committed to bringing its latest and advanced environment-friendly technologies to the Indian market. With the introduction of the BS6 diesel version of the iconic sedan Honda Civic, the entire sedan lineup will offer the choice of both petrol and diesel to cater to the esteemed customers. The diesel Civic is available in manual transmission and will appeal to customers looking for sheer driving pleasure. Apart from the BS6 update, both variants of Honda Civic, namely VX and ZX, now come with curtain airbags, taking the tally to 6 airbags as standard. Both variants of the Honda Civic come with a host of features and equipment as standard. This includes LED headlamps, LED tail lights, LED DRLs, large touchscreen infotainment system, dual zone automatic climate control, electric sunroof, and a host of others as well. No other changes have been made on the brand's premium sedan offering in the Indian market. The Honda Civic is also offered with a BS6 compliant petrol engine as well. This comes in the form of a 1.8-litre IV Tech, which is further mated exclusively to a CVT automatic transmission unit. Honda Civic is one of the iconic premium sedan in the Indian market. The premium Honda Civic is a popular offering in Indian's premium sedan segment and rivals with the Skoda Octavia.
Hyundai Motor India Limited, country's first smart mobility solutions provider and the largest exporter since inception, today showcased three legendary and best-selling brands: all new Creta, the ultimate SUV, spirited new Verna, and the new Tucson in the next dimension through the virtual world of Hyundai. In the industry first ever full-scale human-centric design showcase, Hyundai's exclusive session bridged distances between the dynamic physical and digital worlds while keeping the experience alive. The next dimension is an immersive expression of different cultures through human-centric design. Being an innovation-centric organization, Hyundai has brought together the virtual world of three iconic brands: all new Creta, spirited new Verna, and the launch of the new Tucson, in a larger-than-life POD lab space, creating a new benchmark in the Indian automotive industry. The event was held in three segments. First segment, success of all new Creta, the ultimate SUV. The next dimension was divided into three segments. It began with the showcase of the record-breaking success of the all-new Creta, the ultimate SUV, with over 45,000 bookings. Creta has been a bestseller in its segment since inception and has consistently been the most preferred SUV in India with over 4.85 lakh happy Creta customers. Despite challenging times and intense competition, the newly launched all-new Creta, the ultimate SUV, has showcased brand supremacy, becoming number one selling SUV in its segment for last 2 consecutive months. The second phase of the next dimension laid the spotlight on Hyundai's leading product in the sedan segment, the spirited new Verna. Hyundai Verna continues to be a best-selling product with 26 industry accolades and over 5.28 lakh happy customers in domestic and export markets. Verna is Hyundai's super performer brand, and with its strong fan following is amongst the most loved sedans in India. The recently launched India's first fully connected sedan, the spirited new Verna, is an all-rounder sedan with human technology connect. It is comprised of futuristic design, smart connect, ingenious detailing, and superior dynamics for new age aspirational customers. And segment 3 was the launch of the new Tucson. The dynamic styling of the all-new Tucson sets it apart from other SUVs. The new Tucson is an outstanding example of Hyundai's design excellence. The signature cascade design chrome front grille makes a bold and confident statement, while the Penta projector LED headlamps along with LED DRLs and LED tail lamps. The new Tucson comes with powerful 2.0-liter diesel and petrol engines. The fun-to-drive diesel powertrain with new advanced 8-speed automatic transmission offers the best in segment power, 185 PS and 40.8 torque. Also, the petrol engine delivers an impressive 152 PS power and 19.6 torque and is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. To further maximize the driving pleasure, new Tucson is also offered with H-Track 4WD system, advanced traction, cornering control and drive modes. Hyundai has launched this Tucson facelift with introductory prices starting from Rs 22.30 lakhs for the entry-level petrol. Hyundai had showcased the SUV at the Auto Expo 2020 earlier this year.
Bajaj Auto, the world's favorite Indian, which is based in Pune, 2 and 3-wheeler manufacturer, has announced a second revision in the prices of its Bajaj Pulsar 150 BS6 models. The motorcycles are now up to Rs 999 more expensive. The motorcycle is available in 3 variants: the Neon, that is now priced at Rs 91,386, the twin disc model, that is now priced at Rs 99,565, and the single disc variant, that is priced at Rs 95,430. The Neon and the twin disc variants have received an increase of Rs 999, while the single disc variant has received a price hike of Rs 998. All prices mentioned are ex-showroom Pune. While the price hikes are marginal, this is the second time the brand has increased prices of the motorcycles. The Pulsar 150 BS6 was launched during February this year and witnessed an increase in prices by up to Rs 4,500 during May. Bajaj Pulsar 156 BS6 models are powered by a 150cc single-cylinder SOHC engine that produces 13.8 bhp and 13.25 Nm of torque. The engine comes mated to a 5-speed gearbox. The motorcycle features LED position lamps, an analog instrument cluster with an orange backlit LCD display, and illuminated switchgears. Suspension is handled by telescopic forks, at the front and dual shock absorbers at the rear. The Bajaj Pulsar 150 BS6 models compete with the TVS Apache RTR 160 and the Honda Unicorn. As increase in prices were expected with BS6 compliance, and there is a possibility that manufacturers have split on single increase over multiple smaller value increase over a longer period. Having said that, we think manufacturers need to put a hold on increasing prices for products until the economy recovers.
Mahindra was all set to launch new XUV 500 and new Thar, but they will take some time. India auto giant Mahindra & Mahindra has announced a delay in the launch of its latest generation XUV 500 and the new Mahindra Thar off-roader. The vehicles are now expected to be launched during the third and fourth quarters of this year. The delay has been caused by the COVID-19 pandemic and the subsequent lockdown that followed. The company said that the upsizing production capacity is a challenge because demand for vehicles has returned faster than anticipated. Mahindra is struggling to manage supplies to ramp up capacity to meet the strong anticipated demand generating for the products and brands, especially from rural India. Mahindra says that the stable supply lines will take roughly between 30 and 45 days to set up, should there be no additional lockdowns called for. The brand also feels that subscription models and rural markets will register more sales during the crisis. The rural markets account for over 50% of Mahindra's total sales, wherein the Bolero, the Scorpio and the Jeeto remain top sellers. The brand slipped to the third spot over the last few years as far as sales is concerned. Mahindra, however, insists that they are aiming for profitable growth and not only market share gains. The company will focus on the SUV segment and will offer a wider range of the products over the foreseeable futures. The brand is also working towards localizing production of some components that it imports from China in order to make their products 100% made in India. The manufacturer said that it would take between 3 and 6 months to localize components, resulting in some delay in launches of new products. Delays in launches were definitely expected due to the disruption caused by the lockdown and the COVID-19 pandemic. We expect some vehicle launches to be delayed further because of the localization processes that manufacturers have initiated. Maruti Suzuki is all set to launch the BS6 version of its successful crossover S-Cross later this month. Maruti Suzuki is gearing up to add another vehicle to the existing vehicle lineup exclusively sold through the Nexa premium dealership chain. The new S-Cross is expected to launch on July 28, 2020 and could go on sale soon after. The company is said to have begun the sales training for the upcoming launch of the premium crossover hatchback in the Indian market. The upcoming crossover will be powered by Suzuki's 1.5-litre SHVS mild hybrid petrol engine, the same engine that also powers the Ertiga, Ciaz and the Vitara Brezza models in the brand's lineup. The 1.5-litre 4-cylinder mild hybrid petrol engine produces 104 bhp and 138 Nm of torque. The engine is expected to come mated to a standard 5-speed manual gearbox. The company is also expected to offer an optional 4-speed torque converter automatic transmission on the higher spec trims at the time of launch. Apart from the new engine, the 2020 S-Cross is expected to undergo slight design revisions inside and out. These include redesigned LED headlamps, tail lamps, alloy wheels and more. However, the overall design and silhouette are expected to remain unchanged, which gives the car a muscular stance with good road presence. On the inside, it will feature the brand's latest SmartPlay Studio touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and the brand's connected technology as well. The interiors of the 2020 Maruti Suzuki S-Cross will also be revised with new upholstery, giving it a more premium look and feel. Dealerships have started to accept pre-bookings for the 2020 S-Cross for a token amount of Rs 11,000 ahead of its launch. The upcoming BS6 S-Cross was showcased at the 2020 Auto Expo, revealing some of the changes made to the crossover hatchback. There will be no diesel engine on offer as the company has decided to discontinue the powertrain that was featured on the BS4 models. The BS4 S-Cross may retail between Rs 8.80 lakh and Rs 11.43 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. Expected prices to be remain the same for the BS6 models as well. Honda Cars India has finally launched the 5th generation of its popular sedan, Honda City. Honda Cars India has launched the all-new City sedan in the Indian market. The all-new Honda City is now in its 5th generation and is offered with a starting price of Rs 10.90 lakh ex-showroom. The all-new 5th generation Honda City is offered in a range of 3 variants, V, VX and ZX. While prices for the base spec have been mentioned above, the top spec trim is offered with a price tag of Rs 14.65 lakh ex-showroom. The Honda City is an extremely popular sedan offering from the brand in the Indian market. The new 5th generation now comes with a completely revamped design, larger dimensions, updated interior cabin packed with features, and a new set of petrol and diesel powertrain options as well. The new 5th generation Honda City sedan comes with a completely new look, inspired by the brand's Amaze and Civic offerings. This includes a brand new set of LED headlamps, LED DRLs, and a front grille featuring a thick chrome element with the Honda logo at its center. The front bumpers have also been updated and now feature a set of fog lamps at either end with a central air intake as well. The side and rear profile of the new 5th generation Honda City sedan also comes with a number of changes. This includes the long character line running across the entire length from the headlamps to the LED wrap-around tail lights at the rear. The new sedan sits on 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels. This increase in length and width has translated to a much more spacious cabin. The interiors of the new City sedan also feels more premium and luxurious compared to the 4th generation model. The 2020 Honda City comes with a host of new features and equipment, including an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, connected technology, semi-digital instrument cluster, steering-mounted controls, premium leather upholstery on the seats and other panels, rear AC vents, and many more. The all-new Honda City, the sedan comes powered by two engines, 1.5-litre iVTEC petrol and 1.5-litre ID.Tech diesel units. The petrol engine churns out 120 bhp and 145 Nm of peak torque, while the diesel unit produces 100 bhp and 200 Nm of peak torque. Both engines are mated to a standard 6-speed manual, with the petrol receiving the optional 7-speed CVT automatic as well. Bookings for the 5th generation Honda City is already started, with deliveries set to begin shortly. The new City sedan is offered in a range of 5 color options: Radiant Red, Metallic, Platinum White Pearl, Modern Steel Metallic, Lunar Silver Metallic, and Golden Brown Metallic. Honda City has been in the Indian market for over a decade and is one of the most popular sedans in the country. The Honda City in India competes with the likes of the Skoda Rapid, Volkswagen Vento, and the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz in the sedan segment.